Hey guys, it's me Chloe and I'm back with another video. I'm drawing on this envelope that my sister made. But I'm just telling you guys that if you live in Georgia, that you probably will get a tornado watch. So stay safe and just be on a lookout. And I'm just watching the Weather Channel. So yeah, and go follow Emma Hardy on YouTube and follow Brooke Rockhold and follow Chloe Rockhold, which is me. So press that subscribe button down there or up here, and just please subscribe, because I really am begging you, because I just started this channel today and I'm new, so please just give me a lot of followers and subscribers. And if you do, you will become a member of my quad squad. But yeah, so just saying that Georgia has a tornado watch, and I'm just gonna show you a few things that I do in the morning, and I'm gonna show you my book bag and what's in it. So first, let's do the book bag. Okay, the first thing I pull out is my Holy Bible, and I got this from Good News Club. Good News Club is a club that you go to after school and you learn about God. And so this is what I have. I've been reading it. Not this much. I'm just reading. I've read about that much. And this is my Holy Bible. And my favoriteest teacher from it is Miss Chesney, and she signed it. She said, "Chloe, Jesus loves you, Miss Chesney, John 3:16. My favorite verse is John 3:16. Comment down below if it is yours. Next thing that I pull out, stuffed animal. And his name is Duke. I don't know why I have a stuffed animal in there. Next, I have my headphones. They are JVCs, or CVJs as you are seeing it, CVJ, but JVC. Yeah, they're white. And next thing I pull out is my pouch. It has tissues and this. I'll just put that back in there. And it's pretty cute. It has a lot of designs on it. But then I have a book, Heart of a Dolphin, from the book fair. I haven't read it at all, but this one I have been reading, Ellie's story, that much in. Well, basically I'm on the 14th page. I guess that's good. I have my daily for there, and it shows my behavior. I usually get green, and I've gotten green this whole thing. And so yeah, this is my chart. But so green means ready to learn. And I've only gotten blue, which is good job. for like 6 times. And yeah. And my newsletter is in there. But last but not least, I don't want to pull this out of it, so I'm just going to show you guys because it's kind of hard to get back in. I have my agenda, and I have my pencil pouch and my binder and my agenda and my folder for my homework, stuff like that. So now let's move on to the little pocket. Let's go. Okay, so the little pocket says Chloe, and it has this cute little bear on it. But in the little pocket, I have my note cards. They have a C on it. They're quite nice to use for studying and stuff. Then I have, what is this? A paper nape pen. I have some hand sanitizer. It is Island White Pineapple. Then I have a eraser, pink pearl eraser. And I have, this is a lot of stuff. Also, a few pencils, unsharpened. Wow, so useful. This. Some more hand sanitizer. This again. My Bible verses, which I don't want to take out because it's really hard to get them back in that small thing. But and then I have pencils that are sharpened. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just gonna shove it all back in there. And now I'll show you my room tour. So this is basically just a vlog because I'm so bored right now. And so yeah, I just dropped it and it almost yanked my arm off. I'm gonna go put it up. Bye. Okay, guys. Turns out I'm not gonna do the room tour because it's kind of like really bad storming, and if we do get a tornado while I'm doing it, the windows will shatter, so I don't want that to happen while I'm in there. So I'm just gonna like do something to entertain you guys. So yeah, I don't know what to do. It's 9:25. That's kind of weird. Thought it would be a little bit earlier, but yeah, so what should I do? Comment down below more ideas for videos in the comments, and please subscribe. Class, comment, like, and subscribe. And so yeah, please, if you'll become a member of my Quad Squad. And so please, class, and peace. Bye.